Sana nakikinig lang, Mr. Chair, si Atty. Torion sa sinabi ko. Hindi ko sinasabing guilty ang kanyang kliyente. Klaro naman ang sinabi ko, he is deemed to be innocent until his guilt is proven. At ito po'y nasa korte ngayon. Kaya nga sinabi ko, mas mabuti sumuko na siya, magpakita na siya, at siya rin nagsasabi, nasa hearing ito, para maklaro lahat. Because these are very serious allegations. And it's already people of the Philippines, may warrant, hindi ba, Atty. Torion? May warrant. Oh,
Sir,
may warrant.
Please, order. Please, walang personal na confrontation dito. Please address all your statements to the chairman. Lahat ng sabihin ninyo, i-address nyo sa chairman and not to each other.
if I may, Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
the problem with the statements of Secretary Abalos, he being a lawyer, is that he quoted verbatim the allegations in the affidavit complaint, which is now actually on trial before two courts, Your Honor. So that is clearly improper because the issue in this case is not the validity, the truthfulness, veracity of the contents of the affidavit complaint. What we are talking here is whether or not the use of force employed by the PNP in the service of such warrant was excessive. So therefore, to quote verbatim the allegations in the affidavit complaint, I think Attorney Abalos knows that it is improper in a Senate proceeding. That is proper during the trial of the case, Your Honor. And that is also unfair on the part of Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy, who cannot actually also state his portion. The fact that even the date September 1 of 2014 was not even the tribute to the king. It was actually August 29, 2014, and that in itself is untruthful. And the fact that she was allegedly forced, we could not say here that her father was in fact present during that time, and she did not even report that to his father or to her father, Your Honor. All of these matters, Your Honor, the merits of the case, specifically the actual allegations in the affidavit complaint, should not be stated because those are uncalled for and are not covered by the investigation of the Senate, Your Honor. That is
Mr. Chair, may I comment?
ordinary rules of fairness.
No.
Let him finish.
I will just
Secretary Abalos, let him finish. You have your time.
Ordinary rules of fairness and decency require that, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, may I?
Okay, you can respond, Secretary Abalos.
Mr. Chair, sana nakikinig lang siya, no? I mean, lahat naman tayo may tenga at naka-record to. Klarong-klaro sinabi ko, hindi ko sinight yung nasa kaso. Ang sinight ko yung dito sa Senado mismo. Dito yung hearing ni Senator Ontiveros ang sinight ko. Kaya nga yung sinasabi niya akusasyon, sana sumuko na. Sabi mo sa kliyente mo, sumuko na, Mr. Chair. Please, I'm just asking you as an officer of the court para maklaro precisely so that we can hear his side.
With due respect,
Before you respond, Attorney Torion, I would like to say na yung sinasabi ninyo is you may claim it as relevant to the issue at hand, but it is not germane to the investigation that we are conducting right now. So it has already been recorded in the Senate hearings. So I think there's no use of for this investigation. It's not germane already.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
if I might finish kasi hindi ko pinatapos kaya hindi pa ako tapos kanina. Tatapusin ko lang. Pabayaan yung tapusin ko bakit ito may relasyon. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Bakit ito may relasyon? Klarong-klaro na huminto ang investigasyon. Huminto ang kaso. Sinasabi ni Atty. Torion ng side ng kliyente niya, hindi tuloy masabi. Huminto ang investigasyon sa Senado. Huminto sa RTC Pasig, RTC Davao. Nakakagulo ngayon ng pulis para hanapin siya. Hanggang ngayon, hinahanap po siya. Ngayon, hinahanap ito, sasabihin natin, excessive force, lahat po ginagamit. Masisisi ang pulis. Pero, dinidian ng pulis, hanapin si Pastor Kibuloy, hanapin siya. My dear friends, Mr. Chair, this has a direct correlation. Bakit? Because ang akusasyon na binasa ko calls for a direct answer. Totoo ba ito, Pastor, o hindi? Kung totoo, sige. Inosente ka. Pero kung ito'y hindi totoo, bilang ama, Hindi dapat mangyari kung sino mang anak niya nangyari ito. Hindi dapat mangyari ito maski sa kapatid niya. Yun lang ho, hustisya lang. Dapat malaman natin ang totoo dito. Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chair.
Thank you, Secretary Abalos. You want to respond?
Good morning po.
Ms.
Good morning po
Cardona?
sa lahat. Mr.
Yeah.